What is heart attack? Heart attack is a common thing nowadays, no need age limit. Mostly young generatrion becomes victim of it. A heart attack occurs when heart muscle suddenly becomes blocked and the heart can't get oxygen. How to get rid of heart attack? Exercises prevent heart attack. The most important thing is regular exercise in the morning and evening. Running, jogging or fast walking is very important to improve the blood circulation. It helps to pump your heart and minimizes the chances of heart attack. Have sex twicw a week. Mostly who have sex at least twice a week are 45% less likely to develop heart disease than those who do so once a month or less. This is probably due to physical and emotional benefits, and stress reduction. Cardiologist. Morning yoga exercise for heart. Morning yoga exercise is the real need of today's world. Your 15 to 20 minutes of yoga is the excellent breathing exercise for your heart health and excellent for preventing heart attack. Buy a punching bag. A Harvard study found that men who express their anger have half the risk of heart disease compared with men who internalize it. Drink cranberry juice. Scientists found that volunteers who drank 3 8-ounce glasses a day for a month increased their HDL cholesterol levels by 10%, enough to cut heart disease risk by almost 40%. Buy 100% juice that's at least 27% cranberry.